Welcome to Simple English Learning. I'm your host, Professor Emma Clarkson, a dedicated English educator with over 25 years of experience guiding learners from dynamic classrooms in London to online students worldwide. From beginners nervous about their first words to advanced speakers aiming to captivate audiences, I've helped thousands overcome their fears and speak with confidence. If you're tuning in to our YouTube channel because public speaking in English feels like a mountain too steep to climb, whether it's trembling during presentations, blanking on words in meetings, or avoiding conversations altogether, this episode, Conquer Your Fear, the Secret to Speaking Confidently in Public, is crafted just for you. In this podcast-style video, we'll uncover 5 powerful, practical strategies to banish fear, boost your confidence, and make your English shine in any public setting. You'll get science-backed techniques, real student stories, pronunciation tips, and quick exercises, all designed for busy learners like you. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to speak boldly, whether it's for a job interview, a class speech, or a casual chat. Grab a notebook, take a deep breath, and let's conquer that fear together. At Simple English Learning, we believe confidence is built through action, not perfection. Let's dive in. Public speaking anxiety, or glossophobia, affects up to 75% of people, according to studies from the American Psychological Association. And for English learners, the challenge is doubled, worrying about grammar, pronunciation, or judgment. But here's the secret. Confidence isn't about being flawless, it's about connecting with your audience. My student Priya from India once froze during a work presentation, but with these strategies, she now leads webinars fluently. Research from the British Council shows targeted practice can improve speaking confidence by 50% in weeks. Our 5 strategies are quick, daily habits you can practice in 5 to 10 minutes, using YouTube's vast resources to make learning engaging. Let's break them down.
Strategy 1. Reframe your mindset with positive visualization. 5-minute practice, confidence booster. Fear often stems from a fixed mindset, believing you're not good enough. Psychologist Carol Dweck's growth mindset teaches that skills improve with effort. Reframe fear as excitement. Both feel similar physically, racing heart and sweaty palms. Visualize success. Picture yourself delivering a flawless speech or charming a group. Practice. Spend 5 minutes daily visualizing a scenario, giving a TED Talk, or acing an interview. Close your eyes. Imagine smiling confidently, saying, "I'm thrilled to share my ideas." Journal what you visualized. "I spoke clearly, and the audience nodded." Watch YouTube's TED Ed Talks. Mimic their calm delivery. My student Ahmed from Egypt used this, turning presentation dread into excitement. Task: comment your visualized scenario below. Strategy 2. Master breathing and pausing techniques. 5-minute practice, calm control. Anxiety speeds up speech, making you sound nervous. Controlled breathing calms your nervous system, per Harvard medical studies. Pauses add authority, giving you time to think. Practice inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Practice saying, I have a great idea to share, pausing after idea for 2 seconds. Record and check for steady pace. Shadow BBC Learning English dialogues for pausing rhythm. My student May from China used pauses to sound poised in meetings. Drill. Say a sentence, pause, then continue. My goal is to inspire others. Do this for 5 minutes. Task. Share a sentence with a pause in the comments. Strategy 3. Build a confidence phrase bank. 5-minute practice, phrase flashcards. A bank of go-to phrases reduce hesitation, making you sound polished. Examples: let me clarify that point, or I appreciate your question. These are lifelines in public settings. Practice. Create 5 flashcards. Use Anki or paper. I'm excited to begin. That's a great question. To sum up, say each aloud, varying tone. Confident, friendly. Role play a Q&A. That's a great question. I believe. Use. Strategy 4. Practice shadowing for natural delivery. 5-minute practice. Shadowing sprint. Shadowing, mimicking native speakers, builds fluency and confidence, per linguist Alexander Arguelles. It trains your mouth for English's stress-timed rhythm. I'm so happy to be here. Practice. Pick a 1-minute YouTube clip from The Ellen Show. Listen, then repeat instantly. Thanks for joining us today. At Thanks for joining us today. Record, compare, retry, stressing key words. My student, Sophia, from Brazil, shadowed talk shows, transforming her nervous delivery into vibrant speech. Drill. Shadow for 5 minutes, focus on intonation. Quiz. Stress in I love speaking. Love speaking. Task. Share your shadowed clip's title. Strategy 5. Simulate real-world scenarios. 10-minute practice. Role-play rehearsal. Confidence grows in realistic practice. Simulate scenarios like giving a speech or answering questions to prepare for pressure. Practice. Choose a scenario. Job interview. Toast at a party. Prepare a 1-minute talk. I'm here to share why I'm perfect for this role. At perfect for this role. Record, play back, note pacing and tone. Use YouTube's Toastmasters speeches to shadow openings. Join Simple English Learning's community on Reddit's r/English Learning for peer feedback. My student Hiroshi from Japan role-played pitches, landing a promotion. Drill. Role-play for 10 minutes, alternating scenarios. Task. Comment your scenario. Integrate these into a 30-minute daily routine. Morning, visualization and breathing. Midday, phrase bank and shadowing. Evening, role play. Watch Friends to spot confident speech patterns. Track progress in a journal. Today, I nailed pauses. Use apps like Elsa Speak for pronunciation feedback. Overcoming challenges? Fearful? Start solo in a mirror. Hesitant? Exaggerate shadowing emotions. Cultural gaps? Watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine for slang like chill. No progress? Record weekly to track gains. Recap quiz. 1. Reframe fear as excitement. 2. Breathing count. 4, 4, 6. 3. Phrase bank example. That's a great question. 4. Shadowing stress in I'm happy. Happy. 5. Scenario practice. Job interview. Comment your score. At Simple English Learning, we're here to make confidence achievable. Conquer your fear with these strategies and your voice will shine. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Share a tip you'll try in the comments. I'll reply. Keep speaking boldly. See you next video.